everyone! Welcome to 5 new English words every day. My name is Lauren. Cheep cheep, meow meow, woof woof. Can you hear that sound? It's the sound of the cat, the dog and the bird. Do you know where I am? That's right, I'm in the pet shop. Today I'm going to choose one pet to give a forever loving home. Do you have any pets? Can you help me choose my pet today? That's our topic for today, pets. Let's take a look at the 5 pets we will see today. Number 1, the dog. Number 2, the cat. Number 3, the bird. Number 4, the fish. And number 5, the rabbit.
Dog, cat, bird, fish, rabbit.
Let's take a look at the first pet today, the dog. Our first pet today is dog. Dog, 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 dog. Dogs make really loyal pets. And there are many types of dog too. Look around. This dog here is chubby and looks like candy floss. This one here looks like a sausage. And this one has spots all over its body. Dogs' ears and noses are very sensitive, so they can protect you and your house. Dogs love bones. Thank you. Would you like a bone?
D-O-G, dog.
D-O-G. Dog. 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 Our second pet today is cat. 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 Cats make a really cute sound. Listen. Cats come in many different colours and sizes. This cat is grey, it's 1 colour. This cat, 2 colours. And this cat, 3 colours. Cats have sharp eyesight and they can catch the mouse at night. Woo! Ah! Cats lick their fur to get themselves clean. Cats also like sleeping in sunny and warm places. Ah.
Meow, meow. C-A-T, cat.
C-A-T. Cat. 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 Our third pet today is bird. 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 Birds have feathers and wings, and most of them can fly. A bird's food is rice seed or corn seed. Pet birds live in cages, like this one here. As you can see, this little bird is tiny, so we must be careful when handling them or they can get hurt. I absolutely love listening to bird song. Do you?
Bird, bird.
B-I-R-D. Bird. 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 our fourth pet today is fish. 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 Fish that people raise at home are small and come in many colours. These two fish here are orange. They eat fish food. Fish have fins to help them swim under the water. We must regularly clean out the fish tank to create a clean environment for the fish. It's really relaxing to watch all the fish swimming around. Do you like it too?
Fish. Fish.
F-I-S-H. Fish. 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 And our fifth pet today is the rabbit. 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 Rabbits are small furry animals with long ears and a cute little tail. Their favourite food is carrots and green grass. Rabbits can jump really high and they can also run really fast.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. 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 We looked at 5 pets today. The dog, the cat, the bird, the fish, and the rabbit. Remember, pets are similar to humans. They need lots of love and care, so you need to think carefully before adopting one. I'm going to go and pick up my very own pet now. I'll see you in the next episode, okay? Bye!